Ebooks, the acquisition manager. I had got a request to do a video on showing them how to register your phone number. Um, as you can see, my phone number is already registered, so I won't be able to do everything, but I can walk you through the process. So we would click number, then click local number right here. So as this loads, it's going to take me to this right here, the campaign registry. So the campaign registry, I had a few issues with this when I first got it. When I first tried to register um, my company, I didn't understand the process. So as you can see, I got registered with AT&T. The rest of these are on pending because once AT&T dropped me, it would just go to the next one, and then to the next one, and then to the next one. So let's go over to brand. Let's click edit. The first thing I want to show you guys is, of course, you're going to need to put your company name. This is a legitimate business, and when using this dial system, they want to make sure you are legitimate. So you're going to need all this good information. So your company's name, your website. If you don't have a website, you can create a free website using different services. You're going to need a website, your phone number, email address, again, your company's name, the country you are in, and then the industry you are in. Of course, I'm in real estate, so this is what I had. Also, you're going to want to put your EIN number right there. Hit continue. So as this loads up, it'll take me to the campaign. So at the campaign, this is the additional campaign. This part really gave me troubles just because so you have to have a specific text that allows people to opt out of your process. Like for instance, when I'm doing text blasts, all somebody has to do is say stop or no, and it will stop marketing to those exact people. Using this platform is a very, very nifty tool, but also it's a very strict tool. If you say certain things, they will flag you, but also it's easy to get unflagged. Sometimes they have it set automatic, and sometimes they'll just flag you for certain things that you do. So, once you understand that, the next thing you're going to need to do is put your privacy. I'll put the privacy, I'll put the privacy of the company I'm representing. Here's my, where's it at? Here's my actual website. I mean, my website is on the other thing. Sorry about that. My website is on the other thing. Is through Minria, so I took their privacy page because my actual website is through them. So I took their privacy page and pasted it right there. I took Minria's terms and conditioning and put it right here because also my website is through them. So everything is through them. I don't know if they'll let me go to the third one, the sample. Let's see. They may not. Yeah, they didn't. They want me to click this. But the sample message is basically creating a template of what you would want to say. This template can be very easy to create, but also you need to create 4 different templates. And once you create those 4 different templates, it will be easy, and then you can just start the process from there. There is a waiting day period. I believe the waiting day period is like 5 to 10 days, give or take. I don't remember. I've been using this tool for quite a while. But once you get approved, everything is rocking and rolling. The staff are good. They give you a call if you need it. You can talk to them right here. It's very easy. Thank you guys so much. I just wanted to show you how this process works. Thank